In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Canvas. There's a couple different ways you can do this. Let me show you the first, which is in the Canvas guide. So you want to open up a browser, whether it's Google Chrome or Safari. If you go on your iPad, you'll actually just have the ClassLink app. From here, there's a couple different things you can do. If you have already been there and you've saved the address for ClassLink, it'll be there. You can go in through the URL. Alternatively, you can go to the Staff Links website and click on ClassLink. From here, you're going to put in your email address minus the @RSS and your email password. Click Sign In and click on Canvas. Here to put your 10-digit user ID number and of course your email address password. And that gets you into the dashboard. That's one way. Another way to get in, let me log out of these, is the same way. Go to the staff links and just click on Canvas. Again, your 10-digit number, your email password, and that'll bring up your dashboard for NC Ed Cloud IM. And just click on Canvas, and again, you're into the dashboard. Thank you.